at a hotel here in Louisiana.
The sketchiest hotel ever.
For one, the hotel wasn't even finished, and we'll show you that video right here. And our door did not lock.
It wouldn't lock, so we had to put the desk, chairs, and everything in that section.
I think Natalia recorded that one.
She's got that too good.
Yeah, so we'll put, oh my gosh, we'll put that video in here too to show you like what it looked like of what we had to create, or well, Papa did all the work to block the door because it wouldn't lock.
Yeah, it was sketchy, and I mean, it was midnight because there was an accident on the highway, so we weren't able to make it at the time we wanted. If we would have got here like 9 or 8:30, 9 o'clock when we were scheduled to get here, we would have definitely went somewhere else. Definitely.
Yeah, because to start off, when we got there, we had already made the reservation, and no one was at the front desk for like a good 30 minutes.
Yep.
So we had to wait at the front desk for 30 minutes just for someone to come to give us our room.
And the dude was at home because a lot of people don't check in, I guess, to the hotel. So I called the guy, and then the excuse he gives me is like, "Oh, I was taking a coworker home at midnight." Come on, man. What the hell kind of excuse is that?
Yeah. And then our toilet wasn't set in place correctly. I don't know if anyone got a video of that one.
I'm not sure.
But yeah, it wasn't like set in place correctly. Like you could see the line where it was supposed to be, and it was like this far off.
Yeah. But the hot water was like 300 degrees.
It was. I burnt myself very bad.
That's the best thing it had, the hot water.
The hot water. The beds are clean too though, so that was good.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
Well, you guys get to see it.
Yeah, you'll see it. We got a couple of videos of it. We'll show you that.
Yes.
And now we're on day 2 of the road trip.
Yep.
And we're gonna get to San Antonio, right? San Antonio, Texas today.
Because we need a break. We had 2 heavy duty days. And yesterday we drove probably like 14 hours. So, I mean, I can drive for a long time, but my wife, she's in the back driving our other car. And I know it's going to be heavy for her. So today we're going 5 hours and we're stopping and resting. But stay tuned. We'll have videos for you.
Yeah. Alright, well that's all for now.
Yeah.
Oh, and we haven't eaten breakfast yet. We literally haven't eaten since 5 p.m. yesterday.
Yes.
And it's 10, right? Yeah. It's 10 in the morning right now.
Yeah. So it's a good time for man, what do you call that?
I don't know. Fasting?
Yeah, intermittent fasting. There we go. That's what we're doing. Intermittent fasting.
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll get back with you guys later.
Alright. It's not turning. So we're in Texas?
We're in Texas, baby.
Oh man. Yep, we just crossed into Texas.
Yep. Oh, welcome to Texas.
And we have made it to Texas.
Look at the stars.
I see it. Oh my gosh. This is so bumpy. Oh, you can't really see it on camera. Oh yeah, you can. Here's a star to show we're in Texas.
There's the actual sign. Welcome to Texas.
Where? Oh. Oh. Now we're gonna be in Texas for a while.
Next 2 days.
Until we get to where we're supposed to go to. Oh my gosh. These bumps are brutal. Whee!
Gotta check.
Good thing you checked the car.
Gotta check the straps.
It's like a roller coaster.
Y'all, my car belongs at a strip club.
Shaking the booty.
Made a bumper over here bouncing like crazy.
She's basically shaking her butt like she keeps jumping up and down.
Oh my gosh.
Damn.
The wipers even came on.
The what?
The wipers came on
Oh my God.
her car.
Dude, that was a giant fucking bump.
On your car or the truck?
No, in the car that we're in, like, we jumped at the little, whatever that was, and the wipers came on and everything.
Oh.
Damn.
I got that on camera.
Yeah, that was rough, bro.
Mom didn't hit it because she's gripping the steering wheel hella hard.
I didn't hear her say that. I got all of that on video.
I was getting everything because I'm sorry, I forgot I was pressing the button.
Hey, the car strapped in pretty good because that would have made it fly off.
Yeah. And that would have been horrible.
That would have been bad.
Did
Damn,
you see
Texas.
my reflexes when this thing fell? I was like, what?
Yeah, Texas, this is how you receive it with a big ass bump.
Oh man.
So I'm about to see it. So easy to get confused. Look at all them numbers.
I know.
We're staying on 10.
If that's so easy, you might start thinking everything is easy, even typing walking, and it's not.
Well, if you switch to Geico, you can save hundreds on car insurance, and you can keep saving
Looks nice.
on motorcycle, boat, and RV, plus your older renter's insurance.
But saving money might cause you to dance spontaneously, and if you haven't stretched properly, you can pull a handy double.
Where are we going?
Went this way.
Well, they do have an industry-leading
Oh, so that's downtown over there.
finally
Yep.
manage a claim or any new driver, and they offer discounts to military and federal employees.
You might be so happy that you celebrate by drinking a milkshake too fast and get a brain freeze.
Well, Geico is the second largest car insurer in the country and has been saving
Holy
people
cow.
for over 75 years.
It's so hard to keep this steady.
Yeah.
You're right. Switch to Geico. It's obviously a good idea.
It's time to get golden at Golden Check because right now the 3 tender deal is just $6 for 3 juicy and delicious golden tenders, a side, fresh baked roll, and 30-ounce tray. No wonder the 3
Am I
tender
going
deal is
too fast or are they going too slow?
golden tenders are 100%
It's below 60.
60. Oh, they're good.
marinated for 24 hours to lock in the juicy flavor. Try them spicy or regular when you pick up the 3 tender deal. $6 for a
There's
limited time.
downtown over there.
Well, I finally graduated. From here, my classes and contacts. But it's you. We graduated to Mason. That was so cool. Where'd you go? Berkeley High School.
Looks nice, man.
Did you get
It does.
LASIK savings? Sure did. You should too. But you better look at your savings this month. Or exit it with a
I feel like it's literally just Richmond.
Yeah.
Just go to easylasik.com like I did. easylasik.com and graduate like I did. For my classes and contacts.
Houston Area Shows has upcoming shows and festivals. If you have a local small business that you would like to promote as a vendor, visit HoustonAreaShow.com. That's HoustonAreaShow.com.
Stay in the left 2 lanes.
Okay.
Oh man, this looks confusing. Look at different roads,
You'd be lost.
I would definitely be lost. Well, I mean, I guess we are staying on the same road, so
Yeah.
maybe not that lost, but I'd be concerned.
That's funny because I think I'm lost.
Oh, whatever.
Nope, no, we stay on 10 West. We'll be alright.
Yeah. Is that a Whataburger? Look, there's a Whataburger. I can tell because of the roof. Oh my gosh, I've never even seen a parking garage this big. Look at this. I feel like not even the ones at the airport. Traffic number 2. Or no.
It's like number 4.
Number 4? Oh my goodness.
I don't know what's going on, but this is crazy traffic. 4th time we get it on the trip. We're not even all the way there yet. And we're doing 0 miles per hour on the highway.
Oh, look, a school bus.
0 miles per hour on the highway.
Oh. This is crazy. Yesterday was a really bad accident, but I don't even know what it is right now.
No idea.
Guadalupe River.
I know they always get us on the bridges.
Yeah.
Never fails. Oh, but Louisiana was crazy though. We couldn't even see it. It was raining so hard. Like,
yeah. It was insane. Let's see if we can get the river on this side.
oh look, I know what it is.
What? What is it?
This is why we're about to pass him. Dude should just get the fuck off the road. He's in the middle of the fucking lane doing like 3 miles per hour.
Well, we're about to see why it is that.
Look at the ridiculousness. Dude, get on the shoulder. Get on the fucking highway. Oh, man.
What is it? A flat tire or something?
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, wow. This is the craziness. Well, there's a cop back there. He'll probably get him and kick him out the road.
Dude.
Unless he gets out of this exit.
That's what the traffic was for. We are on our way to San Antonio. That will be the stop for tonight. The hotel yesterday was no bueno.